Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert different footer for each pages in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document and take some pages. Now we want to insert different footer for each page. Firstly, go to the third page. Then click right button on our mouse and create a section. Then select the insert section option. Then go to the fifth page. Click right button on our mouse and again insert a section. Now we can see here the three section. Now we want to insert different footer for this each or another section. Go to the insert menu. Then click the footer option and write the footer text. Then go back the master page option and select add master page. Then click OK. Then again write another footer text. Then again click the master page option and click OK. Then again write another footer text. Then click close master page. Then select the first section. Press shift on our keyboard to select the multiple pages. Then click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages option and select the master page A. Then go to the second section and select this multiple pages. Again press shift on our keyboard. Then click right button on our mouse and select the master pages section. Then choose the master pages B. Then go to the last section and click right button on our mouse and select the master pages option and select master pages C. Now we check this all page and we can see here we added or insert different footer text on different page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.